Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone, and also good morning, my friends from Zimbabwe. Today, to have another tutorial here to show how I did it. You will see everything, every secret I will reveal here for you to know, because I want for you to be a producer. So, guys from Zimbabwe, pay attention to how I played this beat. You can comment in the comment sections if it was well organized or if it was not. I can accept that. So, without talking too much, we will enter in the drums. After the drums, as I always show you from the drums. After the drums, we will end in the melody sections. After the melody sections, I will play again the beat to see the final result. So let us start from the drums. Here we do have the drums. They are very simple for you. Let us hear how they sound. Very simple. Here we do have a kick, we have a hi-hat, and also have hi-hat. I like to take all the projects and remove all the melodies and leave the only the reed drums. After the reed drums, I played this melody from NNShishite. All the plugins that I will be using here, they are native plugins, nothing to download, nothing to worry about. What you should worry about is to draw your melodies, show your creativity. So I played this melody. I used one of the presets which is called the Jazz Hall. Let us hear how they sound. So it's very simple. After I played this melody, I had to choose another melody, another plugin here to play another melody answering the first one. So let us hear how this one is answering the first one. So let us play both of them to hear how they are coordinating. I chose one of the presets which is called the straight tram, and after that I played another middle melody here answering. So we should work with the theory of coordination, as I always say in my tutorial, because coordination is one of the best methods which a lot of producers they apply on their beats. So let us hear this melody here. After this melody, I had to draw the bass. The bass is the fundamental. It gives the hardness of the beat. So it draw the bass because it tells also the singer that this is a part of choir, it's a part of verse, something like that. After the bass, I had to choose this plugin which is NNShishite, and I played this melody here. After this melody, I had to draw another melody here. We are dealing with melodies. So this type of beat is traditional, nothing to worry about. Let us hear the result, the final results to analyze if they were good or they were not. We are talking about the melodies. So let us play. After that, I had to draw, as I tell you that if you are making your beat, you should consider in the environment. There are adults, they want to hear what the singer is talking about. There are children, they don't want to hear what what other what the singers are singing. They only want to dance, so it's very important to draw the animation for people to dance if they are drunk, if they are drinking. So let us hear how these reed drums are playing. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This was tutorial for today's video. If you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, and I will be here with a lot of energies to do another tutorial as like this. So thank you very much for watching. Bye, see you in the next tutorial.